Hi guys, how to unlock chat in Roblox. So let's get started. Now, open the Roblox app and tap More, the three dots in the bottom menu. Then immediately go to Settings. This first step is where most people get lost, so follow closely. Select account info from the list, then scroll down to the personal section. Here is the secret tip. Your age verification option only shows up if your birth date is correct, so double check that first. Tap Continue with Selfie or Continue with Camera, then carefully follow the on-screen instructions to center your face inside the circle. Keep your phone steady, because bad lighting or movement will fail the verification. Go back to the main settings menu and select Privacy. Then look for two critical sections: Content Restrictions and Communication. This is where the magic happens, so don't rush. Inside Communication, open Experience Chat or Game Chat and set them both to On. Here is the mistake most people make. They forget to also enable voice chat right below if you want to use a microphone. Keep watching to see what happens if you skip this. Once everything is turned on, restart Roblox completely. The new chat options can take up to 5 minutes to appear. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the follow-up video on fixing voice chat if it still doesn't work.